Hello, my name is Edmond Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Instagram password in your phone. To change your Instagram password on your phone, first you need to install Instagram app on your phone so that you log in with your user ID and password to access your Instagram account. Then you can change your password. To start, click on the Instagram app that have been installed on your phone, then click on login. I've already logged in. Then click on profile. Then click on menu at the top. And click on settings. And click on security. And click on password. And you can change your password. So here you enter your old Instagram password. Then you enter the new one that you want to use as your password, and you confirm. Entering the new one, and I confirm. Like that, I click on save. Delete password. Click on save at the top. Now my Instagram password has been changed on my phone. Now the password has been saved. Then you can log out from your Instagram account and log in again with the new password on your phone. Log out. So if you want to access it, you can enter your user ID and the new password that you change. I've already input my user ID and password. I'm logging into my Instagram